mic? Can I get wireless mic?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి వెరీ హ్యాపీ మిమ్మల్ని అందరం కలుసుకోవటం ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ బిన్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్ సిన్స్ వీ హ్యాడ్ events like these and really happy to be here. First of all, very honored, sir, to be associated with Big C. We are the number one mobile retail chain in AP and Telangana for more than 19 years now, and that's an achievement by itself, sir. Congratulations. And I'm really honored to be associated with you all, and I'm looking forward for a very long association, and looking forward that we both grow from here on. And I'm here to interact with you all after these gentlemen speak with you all, so I'm going to be sitting here for some more time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request Swapna, sir, Executive Director, Big C, to please address the gathering.
Good evening. I'm fine with this. Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, all the media dignitaries who are here. And Big C family welcomes the superstar, Mr. Mahesh Babu. I don't have any speech prepared, sir, but I am speechless because Big C has always been associated with all, I think almost all the actors that you've acted with. You're the first male brand ambassador for Big C, and I should say the aura is still here. We're shooting here from morning, I think almost at 10:30 he started here. Same energy, same vigor. He's been shooting and we've got fantastic digital bites and very good photographs which would, portray on Big C's advertisements which are going to be released shortly. And little tensed again. The aura still continues. The superstar is here. So it was on a very short note. Thanks to Mahesh Babu gar, and my special thanks to Namrata Garu also, who's been very supportive. That because he has a very tight schedule, and upon our request, he has given this date, pulled it out from his very busy schedule of the ongoing movie Sarkar Vari Pata, and we were able to shoot this because of his support. Thank you very much for that, sir. I understand how much pressure you have, day and night. Yesterday also I was told you were working till 2 in the night. So like it's that kind of a commitment is very fantastic. Honored. So friends, so here we are. So the superstar is here. I know you all would be waiting to listen it more from him than from us. But then I'm telling you, so whatever digital bites we've made, they have come up very well. So all the Big C family is here, and I have to tell you, Mahesh sir. So I definitely would want to keep it a surprise. But all the 250 stores are connected through a platform called WebEx, in which actually our CMD Mr. Balu Chaudhary would usually do his teleconferences. They are watching this event live. So all the 250 Big C families are at present watching you live sitting here on the stage, and they're very happy, I think, to see you. On behalf of, I don't know from where they're, on behalf of all the Big C family, I welcome you on board to Big C, sir. Privileged, honored, excited. What can I say? Thank you very much for being the brand ambassador for Big C. That's what I can say. So now I would hand it over to Mr. Balu Chaudhary, to have a few words. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to have Mahesh Babu as Big C brand ambassador. Thank you very much, sir, for endorsing Big C and helping us to take it more closer to our customer hearts. So, as she said in the AV, this is a household name for both the Telugu-speaking states last 19 years. So, when we started in 2002, the industry penetration was just 2%. Now it is almost 80%. So, the Big C journey, along with the telecom journey, joined together. So, we set lot of records and we broke our own records, thereby set our own records. As like how Mahesh Babu Garu did in their films, set his own records and break his own records, thereby setting a new record like that. So, చూస్తే last 19 years journey, so మేము మా టీంకి రెగ్యులర్గా because everybody is watching in the live. So, they are definitely, వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా is more than life dream come true. So having a superstar in their Big C families, we 19 years, more than 2,000 families, okay, the people are there with their last 19 years working with us. So that's the commitment of the family kind of relationship bond we have with our internal and as well as because that is one of the biggest, I can say, the factor which made us family member names also. So that's how the journey has started. There's any big journey. So I thank Mahesh Babu Garu for endorsing Big C and taking this brand to more deeper and deeper. So I take this opportunity to thank all my 2,000 plus team members for their continuous effort of 19 years. So their effort and commitment to make this brand number one, undisputed number one last 19 years. So at the same time, I would like to thank wholeheartedly from bottom of my heart and entire from my team, on behalf of my team, to the customers who really gave us opportunity to serve for last 19 years. So it made us, we are here. So I definitely, it is the, I am more happy to say heartful thanks to my customers on this occasion. So I promise to all my customers on behalf of my team, so that we will continue our efforts and commitment towards pushing the boundaries for the retail industry and keep on innovating new ideas, keep on experimenting how to do a better service to our customers. Nowadays, we are even started delivering a product to home delivery, and we are also giving an even experience at a customer doorstep. So by a single click, within 90 minutes, the product is going to our customer reach house. So it is definitely a great occasion for all of the entire Big C family on this occasion. Thank you very much.
So, Mahesh sir, as Swapna sir rightly said, all of our 250 stores and our family, they are all watching you. So, could you please say hi to everybody right from here in the camera? Yeah, I know you can't see everybody, but that's the virtual world we have come to. Everybody can see. I'm sure everybody is very excited. Could the console please show the all the members who have joined in? You would be able to see their smiles. And we, Big C, asked questions to the fan base and to our customers and to the store managers, and a lot of questions poured in for Mahesh sir. And we chose a few. We could choose only a few questions. And today, on behalf of everybody, I'm going to be asking few of those questions. Now, some of those questions may seem a little silly to you. Some of them will be funny. So that's all right. If you can answer a few of them, that would be great. So, first question, how many apps do you have on your phone?
A lot of apps. I think my daughter downloads a lot of them. But my favorite is Headspace.
Ah, okay. So a lot of them. Now, here's a lot of them. Along with the kids could be actually a lot of them. Now, just like everyone else, do you check your phone immediately after waking up and before sleeping?
No way. I don't check the phone before sleeping because I won't get sleep otherwise. So I'm one of those people who read a book before sleeping. So I think staring at an electronic gadget, you don't get sleep. So I strictly follow that.
New generation and all the fan base, please note, before sleeping, keep the phone away. This is how you become a star. Now, friends, okay, now this is a question which I have to ask. Now, before buying a phone, do you wait for Diwali and the Dussehra discounts?
Which one?
Before buying a phone, do you wait for Diwali or the Dussehra discounts?
Now I don't wait. The Apple, they just launch it every year. So whenever they launch, I buy a phone.
Of course. So no, whoever asked this question, thank you for this witty question. And no, he doesn't wait for that. Now, what do you think as a parent is the right age to give a phone to the kids? Now, this is a very important question in this digital generation, especially after lockdown when all the kids are expected to attend the classes. But apart from that, do you think is the right age?
It's a very good question, interesting question actually. But if you ask me, I really don't know because I think we gave a phone to our children very, very early. So I don't know. I think 10 or 12, I don't know. So I leave it because, like you said, in today's scenario, I think, when schools are all online and everything is online, so I really can't answer that question.
Well, actually, yeah, he's right. It depends on different families. But, well, now, as a big star, phone is a very important, accessory to you. It's not just an accessory. Now, would you be really worried if you would lose your phone? And would you be worried? Now, this is a question I'm not asking. Somebody's asking. Would you be worried about the monetary value or the data in it?
Data, obviously, scary. That would be. So the data. Yeah.
Obviously, yes. Now, next question is, have you eagerly waited for a phone to be launched? Have you ever eagerly, I'm not asking which brand, but person has asked, have you ever eagerly waited for a phone to be launched so that you can buy it quickly?
To be honest, now I don't want them to launch any phone because they're launching it so quickly these days.
And how often do you buy phones? How often do you change phones rather than buying? Or do you get
Whenever
gifted?
they launch a new one, I'm buying one. I think that's the case with everybody there.
Is the best brand ambassador for Big C. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that I'm related to you? Did you guys know that?
Wow, how?
See, I'm part of Big C family. And so are you now, ladies and gentlemen. So are the 3 crore customer base who are part of the Big C family. You are all related to superstar Mahesh Babu. How about that? Let's hear a round of applause for that. Well, some of our store managers also asked a few questions. And from Vijayawada, Geeta Devi had asked, do you purchase your phone or do you get them gifted by your wife or somebody else?
I think usually my wife gets me a phone.
She
Yeah.
selects them, okay.
Yeah.
Point to be noted, sir. We have to talk to Namrata ma'am. From Warangal, Manish has asked, phones are pretty much advanced nowadays. What are the additional features you would like the phones to add in them?
Additional features?
Any additional features?
Smartphones these days, what else do we need? I don't know. I think they have everything in these new phones. So I really don't know what else can they have.
Okay.
Anything that comes to your mind, sir? Because you deal with so many of these smartphones. So I think they pretty much have everything.
And any of the other directors would like to add to that? No? Okay.
I think the 5G, once it comes in, it will be interesting. I think a lot of features will be there. So
Faster
that
the
will be a
better.
game changer.
Right, absolutely. Now, what is one important feature that you look at before you get a phone? I'm sure Namrata gets it for you, but what is one feature that you look at? Me, I look at the camera. All the girls here sitting here, I'm sure they also look at the camera, quality of the camera, but what do you
I
look
wanted
at?
to answer that, so you made sure that you answered it. Camera, obviously. Because it's very simple, I think pictures are all very important for all of us
Yes.
when we go to a holiday or everything. So camera is very important.
It's a game changer, I tell you. Camera changes your life. Ladies and gentlemen, next question is, what was the first phone that you had bought? And how old were you?
Nokia.
Okay.
Nokia, yeah, I remember
that.
that.
The heavy one?
It was one of those classical models. I think it comes with, those buttons. The
Keypad.
classic. It was one of my favorite
Yeah.
models, yeah, the Nokia one.
Yeah. It was actually quite a security tool for women traveling in public spaces. Yes. Now, Ramesh from Vizag has asked, do you apply screen guard or do you use phone with a back cover?
I have a screen guard and a phone cover as well.
Both.
Yeah,
Okay.
both.
So from Khammam, Baji has asked, what are the other accessories that you use along with your phone?
AirPods. Yeah, that's
That's the most
basic,
important
yeah.
one.